Hey guys, welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to be baking some chicken thighs and I wanted to show you guys how I made them this time. You know, you can never have too many go-to chicken recipes, and this one was super delicious, easy to make as well, and you will not be breaking a sweat, nor will you be in the kitchen forever. So to my blender, I'm going to start adding my ingredients. I have scallions, I have banana peppers, I have parsley, and I'm also going to get the juice from the banana peppers down in there, okay? And if you ain't had none on your plate, pour some from the jar. Okay, and then I'm also going to be adding my soy sauce, low sodium soy sauce. I'm also going to be adding some sriracha as well as some honey. The honey and the sriracha should be equal parts. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box. Make sure you guys check that out. I'm also going to be adding a tablespoon of garlic herb seasoning and a tablespoon of the garlic butter seasoning. And I think that's it. Yeah. And then I'm going to blend this up. And this is the marinade for the chicken. Now, if you want to use other spices or other ingredients, cool. But this is all I'm using. This is all I'm doing. As soon as I pour this marinade out, make sure you fill your blender with water so you can easily wash it out. Okay, that was irrelevant information, but you get the point. Once I get it nice and smooth like this, I'm going to pour it right over the chicken. You know, back when I was on here a lot, and very consistent, I used to make so many marinades, and I'm probably going to start getting back to them. This looks a little, the color looks a little off, but it was just so good. And this is definitely going to be a repeat, okay? Because literally I needed nothing else. I didn't add any salt, anything, but it's up to you. You could taste your marinade if you want. Remember, I do have, I don't use that much salt because I am still cooking for a little one as well. And so I don't over salt my food. So taste your marinade. If you feel like you want more salt or soy sauce, add it to it. So now I'm going to put it down into my pan, and I'm going to fit all 6 of them down in there, okay? And I'm going to pop this into the oven and bake it until they're nice and golden and delicious and good to go. And so once I get all the marinade on here, I'll show you guys what this looks like when it's out the oven. All right, so this is what the chicken looks like after 40 minutes on 350. It made its own juice. As you can see, the color didn't come in yet. You know, it's just chilling. It's just baking. It's doing its thing. So you want to glaze it. After about 35-40 minutes, you want to glaze your chicken, with the juice that it accumulated. I didn't add any fat, liquids, nothing. It made its own juice and fat. Chicken thighs have a lot of fat. But if you want more butter, honey, put the butter up there, okay? After another 30 minutes, this is what the chicken looks like. And look how golden and delicious and all that liquid. If you would think I would throw that liquid out, no ma'am. I actually steamed some rice and put that liquid right down in there. Okay? Half of this liquid was down in that pot of rice. I don't waste nothing. But again, it's super flavorful, moist, delicious, and easy to make. And I really hope somebody give it a try. If you try it, tag me. Let me know what you think. Oh, well, it ain't much you could tag me on, child. I done deleted my social media, except for one platform. But comment here and let me know if you tried it. And thank you guys for your support. And I'll catch you on my next one. Bye.